Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Spider-Man dressed up as Stitch. First, let's get started in the center of our page, and we're going to curve this line around and down on the left-hand side. And then we'll start back on our center line, continuing this as we curve this down on the right, ending that at the same height. Now let's close off the inside. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line over and through towards the middle. And then we're going to replicate that on the right. So starting from that corner, bringing this down, and then curving that, connecting that at a point. Let's draw in Spider-Man's head on the inside now. So we're going to curve this line around and through towards the bottom. And then we're just going to flip over on the right-hand side and replicate that. Let's draw in our eyes. So starting on the top, we're going to curve this down and through towards the middle. And then we're just going to mirror that on the opposite side, ending that at the same height. Now from the inside, we're going to curve this line all the way around, bringing that back in on the top. As we move in towards the middle now on the top, let's arch this line around and then down towards the side. And then closing that off underneath, we're going to start from the inside corner, curving this back around and then up on the side. Now let's draw in the web pattern. So right on the top, we're going to draw in a small arch line. We're going to come down underneath and replicate that. Now in the center, let's draw in a straight line that comes up towards the top. And then on both sides, we're just going to draw a diagonal line that comes out from the top of our eye. Let's come underneath. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on the right as well as on the left. And then as we move over again, we're just going to draw another diagonal line coming out underneath our eye. And then we're going to move over on the side and draw in a straight line across. Now let's draw in the web pattern. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, curving this around and through towards the center. And then from that point, just curving this back down and over on the right. Let's come back over on the left-hand side, curving this down and through towards the middle. And then again from the center, curving this down and over. And then now on the side here, we're just going to curve this diagonal line across towards our eye. Let's flip underneath now. We're going to curve this line down from both sides. And then we're going to close this off in the center by drawing in another arch line, arching that up towards the top. Let's drop down. We're going to replicate that one more time. So curving this around and down. And then right in the middle here, we're just going to draw in another arch line from left to right. Let's move up now and draw in the hood. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, curving this line around. And we're going to bring this down towards the side. And then we're going to line this up at the same height on the right-hand side, and we're just going to replicate that. Now from here on the corner, we're going to curve this around and in towards the center, leaving a gap. Let's come up and close off the center of the head. So we're going to curve this line up for the hair, pointing that back down. We're going to move across, curving this around and then back in from that point. And then again, we're going to arch this line out, curving that back down. And then from that corner, we're just going to close this off by arching this over towards the right-hand side. Let's draw in the eyes for Stitch now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and down. We'll do the same on the right. And then from that inside corner, we're going to curve this back around and through towards the side of our head. Let's step up now. We're going to draw in a circle for the eye. And then we're going to flip over on the right and just replicate that. Now from here for the highlight, we're going to start on the top, drawing in a nice big circle in the corner. And then we're going to flip across on the right-hand side and just replicate that. Now from here, we're going to draw in the pupil black. And then we're just going to move down and color in the lens of the eye black as well. And then we're going to flip over on the right hand side and replicate that. Now that we've colored that in black, we're going to draw in the nose. So we're going to draw in an arch line right in the center. And then we're going to flip underneath, curving this line around and then back up on the right. For the nostrils, we're going to curve this line over and across on both sides. And then we're just going to add some detail lines above the nose. So we're going to draw in a small curved line and then moving up, making this one even smaller. We're just going to replicate that again. Let's draw in Stitch's ears. So on the left-hand side, leaving a small gap, we're going to curve this up, around, and down on the left. And then we'll do the same thing. So we're going to line this up at the same height on the right-hand side, and we're going to curve this line up, around, and we're just going to bring this one further down and in. From here, we're going to draw in the letter V on the side, and we'll do the same on the right. And then we're going to continue to bring that in towards itself. So we're going to bring this line back around, connecting that in the corner. We're going to close off the top of the ear now. So we're going to start on the right, curving this around and down. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom, stepping further in, arching that in towards the side of the head. Now let's come down and draw in the body. So we're going to start on the left-hand side for the torso, curving this line down. And then we're going to step over on the right and replicate that, ending that at the same height. From here in the center, we're going to draw in a curved line. And then we're going to close off the legs. So on the inside, we're going to curve this out and down on both sides. Again, just ending that at the same height. And then now from here, let's close off the feet. So we're going to curve this line out towards the side. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this back around. So we're going to arch this in and then up, connecting that together on the side. Let's close off the legs. So we're going to curve this line across on both sides. Let's draw in the web pattern as we come down. So we're going to curve this down and then over on the right, and then we'll do the same thing on the left. And then we're just going to draw in some arch lines as we come over towards the side. We're going to flip over, replicating that on the left. Now in the center, we're going to arch this line down, curving that in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. So we're going to arch this back, around, and then in, blending that together. Let's draw on the Spiderman symbol right in the middle. So we're going to arch this up. We're going to leave a gap, curving this around, and then back in on the right. Now from here on the top, we're going to bring this out and through on both sides, ending that at the same height. We're going to bring this line down and in, just thickening that up. We're going to draw in a straight line that comes down, connecting that together. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out and in on both sides. And then we're just going to color in the center black. We're going to move over now. So starting back on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line out and in. We'll do the same on the right. And then dropping down, we're going to curve this line out and then back in on the left, as well as on the right. We're just going to thicken up the corners. So we're going to curve this line back up and in. And we're going to do that on the top as well. Now that we've drawn in the Spider-Man symbol in the center, we're going to move over and draw on the arm. So we're going to start on the right-hand side. We're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out. We're going to draw on our thumb, so we're going to curve this line around and in. For our top finger pointing up, we're going to curve this around back down. For the center finger now, we're going to arch this around and back in. And for the pinky sticking out, we're going to curve this around and then back in. From here now, we're going to curve this around and up for the hand. And then to close off the arm, we're just going to draw in a curved diagonal line coming through. Let's draw in some details now. So on the top, we're going to arch this line around and then down. Inside each finger, we're just going to draw in a small curved line. So we're going to arch these out towards the face for the thumb. We're going to curve these lines down towards the thumb now from our first finger. We're going to again arch these up towards the face. And then again, we're just going to curve this out towards the side of our page. Now moving underneath, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We'll do the same thing on the top. And then we're just going to close this off by curving this line down and then over towards our hand. We're going to flip over on the left-hand side now, drawing in our left arm, curving this line out. We'll drop down, curving this around and in, ending that at the same height. Now from here for the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and through. Again, arching this around and down, stepping up, curving this through. And then one last time, just arching this back around and in towards the top. Let's close off the sleeve. So we're going to curve this back in towards the bottom. Now we're going to arch this over and we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming across. For the web pattern, we're going to arch this line through towards the side. And then in each finger, we're just going to draw in two curved lines. And that is it. That's how you draw Spider-Man dressed as Stitch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.